That's recording right now.
So it's recording?
Say hi, I'm going in the pool.
Okay, going in the pool. Taking out her binky.
Don't drink the water.
Yeah, don't drink the chlorine.
She likes bath water. Oh my god, you're doing like that?
Chilly out there?
A little bit.
You're keeping your shirt on?
No. I'm just getting your feet used to it.
Yeah.
It
Craig, you
must
gotta
just
get in.
go full force, right?
Huh?
To have her go in it.
I don't know. I don't have a kid.
Look at her feet. Craig, get in, and then I'll give her corner in that way.
The podium.
She doesn't seem to care, right?
She loves the bath. She's clenching her fist though.
Oh.
It is cool.
But it, look, you get used to it.
Yeah.
I
Quick.
like it. Put a butt
Okay.
in there.
I'm scared.
No. Craig?
You ready? Let's get her feet used to it. It's cold.
No, she's okay.
Come on.
It's
jump
not
your
once
legs.
you get your feet used to it.
Yeah.
Come on, put her in. Go away, you stinking bee. No.
She's okay.
He's in upstate New York. She'll get used to stuff being cold.
Craig, you're going to have to get in there and hold her.
Yeah.
Can she see?
Can she see?
What
Let
do you
me.
think about this pool stuff?
It's nice.
Is the water cold?
No.
At first,
Nice.
it's okay.
Oh.
Let me get her used to it.
Maybe you better get in it with her.
Yeah.
Well, can you hold her so I can take my shirt off?
Yeah.
Don't push her face on you for her glasses.
Because of her cool glasses. What's the matter? You got cold?
She didn't cry.
No.
She just
She
whined.
just whines. She just got to get used to it. I whine.
She's. Look at her.
It doesn't feel cold?
It does. I mean, like when you felt it like a little bit at
Look at her.
first, but now that my feet have been in it, it's fine. Come here. You're going swimming.
Put your body in there. I'm too tall for it.
Oh,
Yeah, this end.
Will she start screaming?
No. Uh-oh.
You're okay.
Let me wash it off.
You're okay.
Yeah, sure.
Let's get used to it first.
You might not like chlorine. It's cold. That Passburg gets a lot of washing off, I'll tell you.
Can she see today?
Yeah. She's looking around.
You're overfooting you.
She's like, but your body gets used to it.
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Oh, I'm confused.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just go down on your, bend your
Put
knees.
your glasses down sideways. Off the guard's defense.
Oh, where'd Daddy go? He went under the water. Look at me.
Hi. You used to it?
Ren. Ren.
You got a glass on straight now?
Yep. You're okay.
Hey, look, a noodle.
This is
Noodle.
fun.
Is she smiling or no?
This is very fun.
Look at her look. Did she just sigh again?
Yeah.
You like it?
Is it cold, Craig?
Glass and hat on her. Perfect.
That's
Quite cold for her. She likes a bath hot.
Yeah, that's true.
She's thinking this will suck his death.
She's looking at the water.
Now, which way do I face this if her eyes are not in the sun? This way, right?
Yeah.
What do you see?
I think those fat legs will keep her protected.
Oh,
I think she's tired.
I think she's. Do you want to try her in this again?
Yeah. You want to try this?
My dad's here.
You're dead?
Yeah. Let's
So,
try.
what happened with his kidney stones? Did they remove them surgically?
No, he passed it.
What'd they do?
He peed it.
Radio wave them?
I'm recording this.
So?
This is, look at her.
There we go.
Yeah. What if she just? Yeah. Is she kicking? Is
There
she
you go.
kicking?
Is she kicking? Sorry, I can't see.
Well,
Look at her.
No, you just gotta hang it.
Put the head up. Flip this thing.
138.
Oh,
Look at her.
look at her.
Fajito, we got the park today, but my dad has to put it in, so for the rest of the summer.
Like, I don't get in a pool unless it's hot.
Well, it's cold though.
It feels good, but also, like, her body gets used to it like ours.
Yeah. Well, her body was hot.
It was very hot.
You know once kids can stay in a pool? Hey, your neighbor burns wood here?
I don't know. No, that was a big tree over there. I think.
What? Was a tree?
Yeah.
That's a lot of work to put up a tree.
Maybe not then. I don't know. Look at her face.
There you go. You want a toy?
No.
Come in, Carrie?
No, I'm okay right now.
Oh. Never play with these.
Training like a bath.
Yes.
The first time she didn't like a bath? Then she just... she's going...
What do you think What are you doing?
Put her hat up so I could see her for a minute. Look. Oh, she's like, what are you... Oh, yeah, she doesn't like that.
Oh, it's not that cold. It feels good.
Hey.
Her body's cooling
Let me see
down.
those chunky eggs. Oh, they're plenty more.
Yeah.
Oh, her foot never went through there.
Are you serious?
Oh.
Oh my God, Heather. Well, I wonder if
Are her feet in
she didn't like this.
There.
Probably was pulling them up. Oh, look at her face.
She didn't pull her foot up past that plastic.
Trying to drink the watercress. What do you think?
Probably most mad because she can't drink.
She doesn't want her back getting wet.
Oh.
Her back gets wet in the shower. Her back.
I know.
Oh no.
She's just whining a little bit.
You're getting used to it.
Oh, she's sticking her tongue out.
You want water?
Oh, my mom didn't bring back the binky. Look at her. Her tongue keeps coming out.
Water, don't you? Smell the air like a snake.
Look at she's trying to lick it, it looks like. Or does she see her boobs?
Should I take her out?
Oh, the poor baby.
You want to go sit in the shade?
Yeah.
You want to try later?
She was like, that was fun.
That was a lot, but I like this thing.
Next year's party in the summer, Carrie? Fly traps.
What?
There's always flies near the food.
Oh,
Remember
yes.
last year, Mom was trying to keep that food.
Oh, you're welcome. Say bye. Say bye, Bryn.
That's it.
Say bye.
I think the water was cold.
All done.